Johnny Manahan, better known as Mr. M, had a simple but star-studded birthday celebration. In an Instagram post by Bea Alonzo, the seasoned star maker could be seen bonding with Catherine Bernardo, John Lloyd Cruz, Maja Salvador, Jericho Rosales, and Piolo Pascual over wine. The love team of Bea and John Lloyd, still called by fans as their "One More Chance" characters Popoy and Basha, also posed for a separate selfie together. "Happy birthday Mr. M," Bea said in her caption. In 2023, several top stars in the Philippines like Heart Evangelista, Dieter Ocampo, and Kyle Echari also got together with Mr. M. Mr. M joined Sparkle GMA Artist Center in 2021 as a consultant. He and GMA are fine-tuning and working on the system to help boost the artists' careers.